hope I hope talaga nabuksan ang isip nyo sa ating nagdaang session na 3 hours. At I hope naging mas confident kayo ngayon facing the challenges ahead in your marriage. I'd like to hear some thoughts about this session. Let's start with Vera.
With me, Father, yung importance ng wedding, I mean, ng church wedding with regards to our marriage,
Mm,
yung civil wedding, and
yeah.
then how we are created individually
Mm,
by God and
yeah.
how we are going to appreciate it. And yung guidance with regards to our family and to raising our children.
Mm.
It will be really helpful for both of us and for our family.
Okay. Thank you, Vera. How about you, Ibarra?
The session was very helpful, Father, especially about the husband being the leader of the family
Okay.
and about him being the protector of the family as well, provider and protector.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. I hope you are more prepared now to do your role as a husband and father. Napakahalaga na alam natin ang job description natin, di ba?
yes,
Kaysa
Father.
yung naghuhula tayo, nag-experiment tayo, try natin to, tinatry natin yan kasi ginagawa ng kaibigan natin, etc., etc. Their lives should not be our guiding measurement in handling our family. Okay? Magkakaiba ang buhay natin. Di ba? Kung sino ang gumawa ng produkto, siya lang ang merong authority para sabihin sa atin kung paano maglalas yung ating marriage. And that is God. Okay po?
Yes, Father.
And I challenge you, you still have 5 years, 5 more years to consider yourself passing the first quarter of your marriage. Kasi sabi ni Mark Twain, American philosopher, you will only understand and satisfy with marriage yung bang ma I forgot the word. Ma-appreciate. You can only appreciate the true meaning of marriage once you reach a quarter of a century. Kahit i-research niyo yan. Mark Twain. Ano ba yung quarter? Ilan taon yung quarter?
25.
Hmm.
25. Kasi yung 25 is likened into a silver stone. Dahil ang marriage daw, ang additional meaning nito ay two precious stones being mixed together. Two precious stones kayong dalawa. Kaya habang minimix kayong dalawa, to be pure, inaalis ang dumi, inaalis ang mga tubig, inaalis ang water element, dirt, etc. sa isang precious stone. At pag naalis na yung mga bagay na yan, iniinit yan through pressure, di ba? Nilulusaw, naalis yung mga maruruming elements para maging pure, precious stone. At kapag naging pure na, tumataas ang value. Ibig sabihin, habang nagtatagal kayo nagsasama, dapat naalis na yung mga pangit na ugali. Naalis na yung mga magiging maldita. Naalis na lahat ng bisyo because hindi kailangan ng marriage ang bisyo. Even smoking. Sisirain, papatay ng katawan mo. And ang goal to grow old together. Sabay kayong tatanda, sabay kayong mamamatay. Hindi pwedeng iiwanan yung isa. Kaya wag pasaway. Ha? Intindihan?
Yes,
Wag
Father.
wag magpapasok ng bisyo sa marriage because hindi yan kailangan ng marriage. Pagsusugal, pag-iinom, paninigarilyo, pambababae, hindi siya kailangan ng marriage because lahat yan ay pagpapasaya sa sarili mo as a single. You have all the days in your life to do it as a single. Pagpasok mo sa marriage, hindi na siya kailangan bitbitin because hindi magbe-benefit ang marriage dyan. They are all toxic. Tapos ka na sa ka pa sa sarili mo. Ang pasasayahin mo na ay sino na? Vera,
Si Ibarra po.
Ibarra. Ikaw din, Ibarra. Tapos na pagpapasaya mo sa sarili mo. Sino ang pasasayahin mo ngayon?
Ibira po, Father.
Ibira. At yung susunod na mga lalabas sa inyong dalawa, na inyong mga anak, you are both responsible for their happiness. Okay po?
Yes, Father.
The next challenge should be becoming gold. Ilang years yon? Yung gold?
25. Yes.
50 years.
50.
Ano susunod sa 50? 75. Which is equivalent to diamond. Yan ang maging challenge nyo dapat araw-araw. And you will live longer than everyone expected. Huwag nyo istresin ang bawat isa para hindi magising yung mga sakit na minanan ninyo sa inyong mga ninuno 4 generations backwards. Okay? Para manatiling tulog yung sakit dahil gigisingin niya ng stress. Kaya don't stress each other. Okay po.
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtsatsaga na matuto at makinig.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you din. At kung kulang kayo sa guest sa wedding day, andito lang ako. Ha? Message nyo lang ako. Salamat ulit
Okay,
na
Father.
marami.
Thank you
Thank
po.
you, Father.
Thank
Bye-bye
you
po.
din. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night,
Good night,
Father.
Father.
Good night. Picture nga tayo.
Sige po.
Picture.
Paano tayo mag-picture?
Ito, screenshot.
Screenshot.
Screenshot. Ready? Smile. Yeah, one more. Kaway. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Salamat ng marami. And
Thank
good
you
Thank
po,
you,
evening.
Father.
Father.
Thank you.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye.
Bye po.